From Davis Pro. We just had a beach day. We're on our way about to check into the hotel. We're on our way to check into the hotel. The beautiful Miami Beach. We're staying at the Century Motel, the Century Hotel in Miami Beach. Okay. We can get something in here.
That's right. And go over that. It's right here. Right here. One over here. This is the room you were in. Let's see if it's open. Daddy, you're recording? Daddy saw it.
Oh.
Oh no, okay, I don't see it. It's the same. Oh no, it's different. Wait, no.
So we're staying at the Century Hotel. So this is the room. It's just a basic 2 queen beds. They give you a nightstand. They give you a phone. Table in the corner over there. They got some nice pictures on the wall. They have a little table over here with a coffee pot, ice bucket, coffee and stuff. The kids messing it up already. A lamp. This is the bathroom over here. Nice bathroom, basic bathroom. You have a full-length mirror right here. You have a closet right here. They have a refrigerator down here. It's not on. Yep, this is the closet. And this is Century Hotel in Miami. So if anybody this is a nice little hotel you could stay at while you're waiting to go to the cruise port. It's close by the cruise port, maybe I think it's 10 minutes away. We stayed here. This is our second time staying here, so this is a nice little hotel. They do offer breakfast from 7:30 to 10 o'clock, and we are 10 minutes away from the cruise port. So this is a good one to stay at.
Hi. That's all I want to say. I'm done.
All right, talk to everybody later.
Bye. Talk to you later. Catch you later. Catch you.